Dental crowns are a popular option for weak or damaged teeth. They offer the strength as well as appearance. The process of making dental crowns is complex art that demands skill and attention to detail from start to end. In this instructional video, we'll go over how to make dental crowns, starting from preparation through placement. We will highlight how to proceed as well as the significance of each phase. Preparation. The very first stage in creating an ideal dental crown is the preparation. The process involves taking a look at the damaged tooth and coming up with the most appropriate procedure. The dentist may take images and x-rays of the teeth to ensure that it is a perfect fit to crown. The tooth could have to be cut before being filed to make solid foundations on which the crown will be placed on. When the tooth is ready and the tooth is prepared, the dentist chooses the type of material to make the crown. Crowns are constructed from different materials, which include metal, porcelain, or even a mix of both. The selection of the material used will be determined by the area of your tooth as well as the individual's tooth, as well as their preferences for aesthetics. Design and fabrication. When the tooth is ready after the tooth has been prepared, the next stage is to design and create the dental crown. Here is where the art is truly at the picture. Utilizing the impressions made earlier in the process, the dental professional is able to create a sketch of the patient's teeth. This will be used as a model for the creation of the crown in order to guarantee the perfect alignment. The technician at the dental office will create the crown by using the selected material. If porcelain crowns are used, the technician will create a sculpted and layered surface so that it resembles the natural look of teeth. The crowns of metal will be made, then polished to give a flawless appearance. The crown will be crafted to the exact dimension, shape, and color of a patient's teeth. It will then blend effortlessly to the natural smile. Placement. When the crown for your dental is created, it's now time to put it in place. Dental professionals will be able to check the shape and size of the crown prior to gluing it into its place. The tooth will be cleansed and prepared to bond for secure fixation. The crown is then put over the prepared tooth and adjusted to ensure a proper bite and alignment with teeth around it. The dentist uses dental cement to fix the crown to its place to ensure a solid bond that can last for a long time. The last step is to smooth the crown and make any adjustments necessary for a more comfortable shape and natural look. The patient leaves the dentist's office with a refreshed teeth and improved oral health. The process of making dental crowns is a delicate process that requires accuracy, precision, and art. From design to installation, each step is essential in ensuring the success of your crown as well as a beautiful, rejuvenated smile. Dental technicians and dentists team up to make crowns that function and attractive, which improves the overall health and aesthetics of the patients they treat. If you ever need the crown of your tooth, and you will appreciate the skill and artistic flair which go into making this crucial dental repair. With the help of specialists and an adherence to perfection, you will be able to get a gorgeous, sturdy crown that will enhance your smile over the years to follow. Be confident in the skill of making dental crowns and see the changes crowns can make to your oral health as well as confidence.